same feel the heat here, so you know, it's damage my phone. Put some more of this in it. And I can't afford my hair smoke up because I just wash my hair. I just wash my hair. Peel a piece of. So good evening, good morning, good afternoon, family. It's a boy Holy Fire 777. So listen to on reach home. Yeah, from work. You know it's Sunday afternoon. Outside is still sunning. Sun's at me, I can see outside. Showing outside. So salute peeps. The sun is sunning out here. I'm tell you look like I guess because of the weight today night. Yeah. So yes peeps. Yeah. So yes peeps, I'm under my favorite tree, which is my moringa. Yeah. It's my favorite tree. So what am I doing underneath it? What am I doing underneath it? Guess what? Look. And you will see peeps what I'm doing underneath it. Let me not even put the mic this too high. Cause next thing it fall. And I'm not sure if I get the adapter here. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna need some moringa leaf peeps. Just a little bit, because I'm just gonna roast some fish with a little piece of yam that I have. Let me see if that pick me up. The tape? Yeah. Just a little piece. Let me see. Moringa, no, moringa this. Ow, crap. Peeps. Yeah, so I just want a little bit of moringa leaf, peep. But the tree is so high now, and let me see what I can catch. Because actually I want the younger leaf them. Let me see if I can catch them. This one proper stick. Yeah. So stick. Give say proper stick peeps. Alright. See a limb here? Yeah. No want leaf and dropping on my hair neither. Come and just wash my hair. Just wash my hair. Yeah, so I'm just using a little bit. Not too much. Yeah. This is good enough. Just 3 fish. Yeah, so this is good enough. This amount. This is good enough, peeps. So yeah, stick and stay. Yes, peeps. I'm reaching the kitchen and in the kitchen. I have 3 fish. I have 1 grunt, a snapper, and a jack. So I'm gonna clean them up, season up. I'm going outside, go do that. So check me outside. I'm reach outside. We're gonna do that. We're gonna get everything ready and I'll go outside because somebody actually use the kitchen. And I'm not like in the kitchen, nobody use the kitchen. So stick and stay, peeps. Don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, then in the kitchen now. We're gonna do some seasoning up quick and fast. So I'm gonna deal with the seasoning first. So quick. Before you look, I'm done. So look at this, peeps. No itching. Quick, peeps. It's like I wasn't here. So I have the moringa leaf rather. So what I'm gonna do, wash it off like that. And then I'm gonna use the younger leaf them. So younger leaves easier to cook up for steam. The big leaf, the tape, oh yes, the tape, yeah. The big leaf take longer to steam. So I use a younger leaf. Yeah. I'm gonna use the younger leaf then. Yeah, some of this one I know should use some of the meringue. Yeah. This one I make sure that I use some. Yeah. Because, you know, I use meringue all the time. So a lot of meringue in my body. Yeah. So, yeah. And cut it up fine. Quick and fast, please. Cut it up just like how I cut up vegetable. Sometimes I cut it up and steam it. I eat it with bread or dumpling, food. Look at that. See me? Take the piece. Take the piece. Then could I get some more right? Just a little bit, peeps, but it have a smell. Yeah, strong. Just remind me of me to smoke weed, peeps. I used to cut up weed. Yeah, it's remind me of cutting up weed. Yeah, I used to smoke weed back then. Yeah. Can't believe I used to smoke weed. Yeah, I used to smoke weed. I used to smoke me some weed. Not anymore. Some used to cut up the weed in a piece. Yeah, look. Yeah, see that? Yeah, so I'm an expert at cutting up small pieces. Think about that. Oh gosh. I'm such a naughty boy, I'm sure. So now, show us this. Like that. And then, guess what now? It's whenever time people roasting fish, they don't use tomato. But, as for me, who made it a law? That is no law for me. So because I am doing my own thing, I use it. Because nobody else use it. People don't normally use tomato when they're roasting fish. They don't use tomato. No, they don't. What did I say? For me, who made that a law? That's not a law for me. That ain't no law for me. So, I'm going against that. Because I have my natural tomatoes made right here in Cayman. Are grown, rather, right here in Cayman. But here I have pumpkin. And guess what now, peeps? You know what I'm going to do with this pumpkin? Yeah, I'm going to put the pumpkin in it. But you see with the pumpkin and roast fish, I have to know how to deal with it. So this is how I deal with it, peeps. What I do, I grate it quick and fast. You know, peeps, I'm different. I watch people cook and then I don't use the same menu. I add things to it. I don't do the same thing that other people do. No. The next thing I have me a carrot. And because I'm going to roast the fish, if I cut up the carrot won't even feel tender. Even though carrot can eat raw, it won't even feel tender. You know, kind of being so tough. But what I do, I also grate it. But then, nobody does that when they're roasting fish. They don't even put carrot in it. But as for me, who made that a law? That's not a law for me, so I'm gonna do otherwise. I'm not gonna do as everybody else does. No, I love to do my own thing. As you say, I'm not a chef. I'm a food scientist. I like to create, experiment. Yeah, good experiment. Because I'm not doing anything that is poisonous. Yeah. Put a piece of thyme in there. More thyme bring up the flavor. Thyme brings up the flavor. And guess what, peeps? And I have a piece of sweet potato. Not sweet potato, Irish potato. So I have Irish potato, which people don't normally put Irish potato in when they're roasting fish. This is not a regular thing. So guess what now? Who made that a law? So I'm doing it. Because nobody else do it. So you might ask, why you grater and everything? Yeah, because I'm gonna stuff the fish with it and stuff like that. So it's more of a belly full, delicious, healthy meal. Yeah, it's fill a belly. It will full my belly, but it's also delicious and it's very healthy. Yeah. That's it, peeps. So, and because I didn't use anything greasy or anything, I can wash off the strainer and put it back. It's like that. Yeah. So now the onion. And as to onion can cut up. I was gonna try grate it, but I'm not bother. Not gonna bother to do that. The onion now. Alright, chop your onion small. Yeah, like that. Yes, peeps. Put it up small. Yeah. The onion small, peeps. Yeah, and that's good enough. Could I use only that? Yeah, could use only that. No need to use no more. Let me see if anything left in the bag. Nothing else leave, just a lime. Just a lime leaf. Yeah. So I'm moving my hand pretty fast, peeps. And I like to clean as I go. So now I'm gonna deal with the fish. So here we go. So it look like, yeah. Yeah. So now I'm gonna finish with these fishes. Fish was frozen. So I get some more water on them. And do them quick and fast, please. No, I'm not gonna cut even tail. I'm not gonna cut off the tail. I'm gonna show the reason why I'm not gonna cut the tail. Yeah. Not gonna cut the tail, peeps. Yeah, but as to the fin, I cut off the fin them. Anything if you cut me up, yeah. So, cause when I'm seasoning the fish, you don't want anything to cut you up. So I cut off the fin them. Normally I turn the head to you. That's the best way to do it. Or if you have a scissors, I can use the scissors. Yeah. Anything like them here sharp or cut you up, you cut it off first. You cut it off. Cut it off, cut it off. But you have to be careful also. You have to use your hand fast. Yeah. Alright. If any extra thing in there to clean out, clean it out. Which is there always is. Yeah. Quick and fast. Cut off the fin. This is a snapper. That is a jack. First one is a jack fish. Good size fish. I don't like to use real small fish. Real small fish have more bone to deal with. I like to use size like this. are even bigger. And this peeps, this is dangerous. You have a bone here, so sharp. So if you should cut it out, cut off stuff like this, you're gonna use your hand to season up the fish. Yeah. No joke. And some people don't go the extra mile to clean out all of this, but we Jamaicans, we like clean out everything out of it. You want to see the belly clean. Yeah, so it's a Jamaican thing. Yeah, I said it, it's a Jamaican thing. I don't know for nobody else, it's a Jamaican thing. So this is a grunt now. And grunt fish is better steam or roast. Because grunt fish is tougher to deal with. When you fry it, yeah, it's harder to fry. Because it's normally a tougher fish. So I would say better to steam it or roast it. And in a bigger size, it's have to be big too, because ground fish normally carry a lot of bone. Yeah. Ground fish carries a lot of bones. So, yeah. Part left this piece, I left a sharp bone here. And the bone here, I'm afraid, especially when the ground, if you can see this, see peeps, the bone here, see it? It's very, 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 very sharp. So it look peeps, like a spear, see it look? Very sharp, this bone right here, very sharp, I have to be careful with it. It will cut you. So now, I'm gonna slice them and dice them like this, like that. So that's the season soaking it, and it will steam. You put it on the fire, you won't have no problem steaming faster. Yeah. The knife even not so sharp either, but it will work. One thing peeps, when you're in the kitchen using knife, don't play with it. Make sure you know what you're doing. So now, season that I have here. Alright, I had some season here, some Jamaican season, and this is some jerk season. So what I do, alright, put in this first. First, I have a pumpkin noodle, so I'm gonna use it. I don't want a noodle part in it, so I strain off it. Because the noodle take a little longer to actually cook or steam rather. So I do it like that. Yeah. And then I do it like this. Somebody put a boil over. I'm not always do the pot on thing. Here I know, peeps. So I have this season here. So what I do with this season, this is a jerk season, so I add a little bit of cooking oil to it. Because I don't use butter. And then I throw it out in this now. I'm gonna mix it up. So I get me a spoon. I get me a spoon and mix it up. So you see, because everything is already normally in Rocky Pine, Clarendon. Yeah, big up Alvin. Alvin normally beat up the ingredients like the onion and pumpkin and all that. Cut it up and beat up everything. So with me now, grating it is even better. You don't have to beat up. You get everything refined already, so it cook quicker. Yeah. See? Look at that. See? Everything is very fine. But now I can add a little more oil to it. So I'm gonna cover up this dish here, because when you're looking about fish, you're always gonna have the flies coming around, and flies are very dangerous. When they mess on your food, they leave a little maggot, and I don't like stuff like that. But who likes it anyhow? Wait there. Wait there. Where is my... Oh. Oh boy. Hold on. Stick a pin there, peeps. Hold on. So yes, peeps, we are back. So now I have a lime. And whenever time you're looking about fish, you should always use lime. Lime cuts down the rawness and give it a flavor. It also gives it a nice flavor. Big up Omar. Omar used to have a pit bull called Flavor. First Flavor. Yeah, so Flavor is supposed to be Omar's first pit bull ever own. Flavor was a good pit bull. Big up yourself, Omar. Yeah, Omar, love him dog them. Yes, peace, as I say, lime will give it a nice flavor. I'll make a cut on my finger and then the lime. So now, peeps, what I'm gonna do, even though I'm not catch a fire yet, I'm gonna just fire up them here same time. Quick and fast. So, yeah, throw a little bit more oil in this. You want this, Arnell? You want this, Catch water. Catch water, man. I put rice on beef. Oh, okay, too much chicken. And beef, so let's get the ball rolling. So I'm going with the big fish first. Actually, I'm gonna leave a tail pan it because I'm gonna leave out, try plan to leave it out, but then I don't want the juice get out, so I'm not gonna bother to do that. So yeah, here we go. So as I say, first you have to, normally they put the butter on the file. So as I say, I don't use butter to roast fish. I don't use no butter. Because butter sleep up. And same like how the butter sleep up, same way it sleep up inside of you. So I don't use butter. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna do it now, peeps. Yeah. So I do it simple, quick and easy. So because this fish is big, you know, by the time I catch it, it will just burst and all of the juice gonna run out. So I put another layer of file paper, which I could do it so at first. Do it like this. Yeah. And do it like that. Yeah. It peeps, fish ready. That's my dinner. So now I get another layer of file paper, roll over. That is good. And this is a snapper now. This is a snapper. This is the snapper. As I say, put it so juice no run out. And I'm gonna do this like this time. It's easier to do this way. You just do it like that. And you roll it up. So none of the juice will come out. And if you want, you can just open here so and throw more juice in it. But I'm not throwing more juice in it, so I'm just use another layer because I don't want none to waste. So when the heat catch it now, it's gonna steam quick and fast, babes. Yeah. So normally I would catch a fire first before I do all of this, but I just feel like do it the other way around this time. That is it. So this is the last one. So as I say, put some of the juice. So I cook a little but just enough for the 3 fish. Just enough for the 3 fish, babes. Just enough. It's come like I measure it without measuring it. It's like I measure it without measuring it. Quick and fast, babes. Yeah, that is it. Fish them ready now, babes. That's the fire now. Just the fire. Waiting on now. Alright. So there you have it. 3 fish. 3 fish ready. So just catch a fire now, peeps. Stick and stay. Don't go away. So yes, peeps, we're outside now. So right about now, I'll bring some black that I have out here to use make the fire place. Yeah. Yes, the fire go right here. Yeah, I did it before already, so fireplace already make here, so yeah. Because if you see ashes there already and thing, so that's perfect fireplace. So on 3, even though this kind of a little bit too high, yeah, but I gotta work with it still. Yeah. Going to work with it. Yeah. Make sure, say that tape. Yeah. Make sure put the phone in this phone stand low, because the last time I come out here with it, breeze blow it down and damage my mic. Yeah. Manage damage the adapter on the mic, so I can't. And the adapter here no sell a Cayman. So I had to wait nearly 2 weeks to get it from Amazon to come here. So anyway, I'm set up this, and then I bought a bag of coal from Friday night, one of the night there. Yeah. You know them coal yesterday already. They look like cow or horse poo. But the last time I used a coal here, I read on it where you're saying no fluid needed, as in you just light it. I say for the same thing mark on this one. He says charcoal, 100% natural ingredients, the original. There are such liars. Burning charcoal inside can kill you. It gives, yeah, we know that would burn charcoal inside. Crazy. But the other one I'm gonna buy first. In pyramid, add lighter fluid. Oh, so this one, if the first one I'm gonna buy half it, you never need a lighter fluid. So apparently they're saying this one you need lighter fluid. Okay. The one that I used the last time, so that I needed a lighter fluid. As in kerosene or gas or whatever you have. Something flammable. The breeze a blow hard now, peeps. So I'm gonna light this. If I light it like a smoker. Smoke. The breeze a blow hard. And then I try light them cigarette or them weed. Oh my god. Oh, this is how I go now. Alright. Just gonna do it. Gotta do it. Breeze a blow hard from the side. As soon as I light this, you're out. And this a paper you're not even light so properly. Jeez, I'm deep. I'm gonna write just something I can light it. Paper no light, I can't even light properly. Like regular paper. Can't believe this. Jeez, please. No, sir. I don't need this. That's trouble here now. And you know, people stick and stay till me like this. I don't know if you watch all this boring film. So finally I get it light away. I get it light. Yeah. But how do I keep it light? Oh, put piece of them here and there. I'm saying I feel the heat here, so no, it damage my phone. Put some more of this in it. I can't afford my ear smoke up because I just wash my hair. I just wash my hair because my hair needs sorting out. Yeah. Yes, babe, so let's see how long it will take to catch. The breeze will blow pretty hard. So it should catch pretty easily and fast. So no need to blow it. I can fan it. Jamaican, remember, we used to use this, them here, to make cricket bat. back in the days. We used to cut this, shape it, cut down here so, and then shape up here so like a bat, and use it, play cricket. Those were the good old days, you know, when internet wasn't so prevalent and smart gadgets, not just phone, but gadgets overall. Yeah. So anyhow, peeps, stick and stay. We catch a fire here and get the ball rolling. And catch a fire here and get the ball rolling. Oh, some coconut ox out here, so I think we need to see some. Coconut ox, this is what come from off of the coconut. Yeah, so normally, ox the coconut, I don't dash them way. I leave it so I can use it. Because I know I'm gonna need it. I know I'm gonna need it. Yeah. Some of them feel kind of cold, like it wet up. I wanna know. Probably somebody throw water upon them. Fish ready now, but fire not ready. Now I would catch a fire before, but I didn't even look at the bag because if I look on the bag, I know that it's not the one that I buy before whenever I need no fluid. I catch a fire first, and then the fire would be ready. But I choose to season the fish first. But anyhow, we get it done. No need to worry. Not in a hurry. Got time. We got time. No hurry, we got time. Ugh. You got time, peeps. No hurry. No hurry. Peeps, I can feel a pain like my hamstring pull. I went to play football on Friday night, and from that, my foot haven't been the same. When you don't exercise for a long period of time and then you just get up and go do some form of sporting activity, that normally happens. Yes, brother D. Like I pull a hamstring. Anyhow, I'm a big boy, I'll get over that. So anyhow, peeps, catch them back when the fire light. And then, I have the fish on the grill. Should I put more coal in it? What do you think? I think I should put more coal in it. Or this is enough coal. It's actually blazing from underneath, you know, see? Because the breeze is blowing hard out here. Yeah, so I catch quick, good in time. So you know, peeps, stick and stay, don't go nowhere. Yes, peeps, I went in the house just a bit, and the fire is now ready, blazing out. So let me grab the grill and the fish them. Let me grab the grill. I got my grill here that I use. No old stove over here. You know, landlord don't care nothing coming about old stove. And I said that with no apology. Yes, peeps, so I grabbed the fish. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Look at that, peeps. I couldn't see what I go on. But I have to secure this phone stand here. Can't put it too tall because the breeze always a blow around here, so. And I don't want it to cost me. Make sure it's a tape so I see everything. Yeah, it's a tape. It's a tape. So, yeah. Fire ready now, peeps. Red. Red, red, red. Ah. This over here kind of a little bit low. But I guess I can work with that. Or if I get a stone. That size. Get a stone that size. Oh my god. Yes, peeps, now it a kick like Van Damme, and I always do that. Take up the fire with my hand. Why do I always do that? Because my grandfather used to do it. So I carry on the tradition. Yeah, peeps. So, yeah, put it on the grill now. And make sure I say, yeah. So my cola run. I don't know where them run go. I don't know where they run into. So now I put on the fish. And that's one. Put the big one in the middle. That's dinner. So Owen say, I come for one fish and just call me. Yeah, so I say if I come. Because people, whenever I could look about those two fish, but I'm saying like no. Next thing somebody might stop and say they want one. So you must always prepare food with the exception of somebody might stop in by. Someone might stop by. Yeah. Oh, and then I went in the fridge and I found a piece of yellow yam. So instead of it staying there and spoil, I'm going to put it in the fire. Yeah. Put it in the fire to roast. Yeah, and the fire here really a kick peeps because I think I have enough coal in it too. With me now, I rather to throw the plastic in the fire because plastic now rotten take years to rotten, so I don't like to just throw plastic anywhere. I like to dispose of it properly. So in the fire I know it'll burn out. Let's eat the peeps. That is it. My 3 fishes. My 3 fishes. Yeah. Yeah. And trust me peeps, nothing is as sweet as when I roast the fish then. Nothing is as sweet as that. When you fry the fish, it is nice, but when you roast it, it's even nicer. Very much nicer. So a breeze a blow hard peeps. If I leave it stand like this tall, because this stand is not at all that firm, you know. So if I leave it this tall, the breeze will blow it down. This is mostly used indoor. Or if you hold it in your hand, it's alright, but if you leave it like this, the breeze will definitely blow it down. So, stick and stay peeps. Let me get a flyer for the drone. I'm set up a drone now. So I have my drone over there. And I have something that I didn't catch. Something that I didn't catch. Corona. I know a lot of people around me and all of that catch corona during that time. I did not get corona. Trust me. Yeah, because when you drink corona, you already have corona. And I'm not advertising for corona. Let me put my corona here. Take it down. Turn over. And let me get a fly from my drone. Or drone. Drone. How do you pronounce it? D-R-O-N-E. I can spell it, but I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Yeah, I'm gonna get a good view of everything that's happening. The fish and the fire. And me going to launch the drone. I go for say launch the corona. Hopefully the breeze not blow it down because I have a rush. As I said, the adapter that the wireless mic use, trust me, kinda hard to get. And even though I can't get one that I want for it. But anyhow, it is what it is. So I have a friend coming into Cayman soon, hopefully. She get it to buy. I don't know. Because she's supposed to be coming on the ship. So I don't know if she had gotten it at Best Buy in America, where you guys live. Tell me that I forgot to charge this. Oh, see, I forgot to charge this. So only have 2 strokes on it. But then the battery, them alright. So that's a good thing. I don't know who sit down on that and if that clean, so I'm gonna put them there. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So this is a DJI Mini 3. Let me see. So now, what you do, you turn the fish them so they steam evenly. Yeah. Yeah, the fire really a kick peeps. And let me see leave the yam for burn up either. You do it on both sides. Yeah, yeah man, the fire kick like Van Damme. It don't seem like it's gonna take a long time to actually roast. It's not gonna take a long time. So let me see now. So I have I'm picking up 15 satellites. Let me see now. Alright. Hold it in my hand, but then I don't want to rise and touch a line first thing. Home point update. The camera point in that camera. Was a fly near to it and it lick it down. So see? So that's my camera. This is what I use as a camera. That's my iPhone 15. Yeah, that's what I use for a camera. My GoPro, but the GoPro with the mic, I don't like the quality of the voice. The audio coming from the mic when I use the GoPro 13. So I rather use the iPhone, you get better quality. So me gonna mess with the chickens now. Hey chickens, chickens. Hey rooster, come here. Come here, rooster. Where you running? Where you running? Come here. You're running. These are the best chickens to eat, peeps. If you're eating chicken, these are the best to eat. Watch here, watch here. I'm there. Chicken going crazy. Oh, because I'm having chicken there. Little baby chickens. I'm there. I'm there. I'm hearing you, but I'm not seeing you. I don't want to fight. Oh. You like you want to fight the drone, peeps. Watch her, watch her. She want to attack the drone. Yeah, this is fun. Oh. So mommy chicken protecting her chickens. Oh boy. Let me show you. Let me take it high now, peeps, and show you. And this drone, you have to can fly to fly this drone. One time I almost crashed it in the coconut tree. It just barely touched the limb of the coconut tree, and then I ease up. So that is on the road out on the road near to the apartment. Yeah. You know, there's a crime rate high in Jamaica, but if the government should buy every police station at least one of these drones, and they're not expensive, so they more than can afford them, they could cut down on the crime rate in Jamaica. But crime pays, so they're not gonna fight crime like that. That don't benefit anybody. Judge getting paid, lawyers, everybody get paid from crime. Let's head on home back. Look at the water behind the apartment. It is so beautiful. I just love it. All I need is what? Jeez, sometimes it's green and sometimes it's very clear. I don't know why, but sometimes it's green. Sometimes it is green. See the apartment here? And see me here? Where am I? Oh, see me right here. Hello. Come to Papa. Let's go check the fish and see what's happening with the fish now. Fish ready. Holy smoke! I turn over my beer. My Corona. Alright, peeps. So, yeah. Zoom in by myself. Zoom in on me, yeah. So, turn the fish then one more time. Yeah, this fire is hot. Take out this yam. This yam look like it ought to burn up. But the fire kick, people. I tell you, the fire kick like Van Damme. Peeps, if this fire so hot, imagine hellfire gonna be like. Think you're in heaven, but you're living in hell. Well, let's land the drone now, peeps, before get me in trouble. I'm gonna say getting in trouble now, I mean crash it. There's so much obstacle there in front of it. A lot of obstacles. Hello? Let's bring it over the fire and blow. Can you actually use the drone on the peeps to blow the fire. We're gonna use it to blow out the fire. Show you. So if there was no breeze, that can use it to catch the fire. Look. See peeps? Look at that. Anyhow peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Yeah, yes, brother. So yes peeps. Fish don't look like they're almost done, you know. But I guess it's not ready yet. Yeah, but this one ready. Yo! Boom! What? Yo! The fire ya kick, peeps, man. I tell you, the fire ya kick. The fire ya kick. Yeah. You know, peeps. Stick and watch how I go on. Stick and watch what's going in. What a go on, and what a go on. But the yam here, I don't want it no roast. So I have to make sure I say it roasts properly. I gotta make sure it roasts properly. But if I don't mind shot, the fish are burn up. And fish are burn up peeps. If you don't mind sharp, this burn up. Cha-cha. But yeah, so roast peeps. Let me say, me give it about no 503, about 510. And let me say roast. Stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, fish will look like ready now. So let's get into it. The camera nearer, so I can see what I go on tonight. I don't miss nothing. Yeah. Yeah, it look like it ready. So let's see if it's ready. I feel like it's ready, peeps. Ja. So I feel like it's ready now. Alright, peeps, see there. So I come out and completely forgot, peeps, to bring a fork. I'm going for your fork, peeps. We're finna turn over. Let me get a fork. Still American. Still upon the peeps. There. Look at that. So now, all the peeps, I'm gonna peel a piece of yam here. Piece of yam here. Yeah, so I'll go and feed peeps. Yeah, all the yam ready. Yam ready like Freddy. So this is dinner, peeps. This is my dinner. No rice and peas. Nothing like that this evening. And the yam here, shouldn't really peel a yam here. Matter of fact, you need to scrape it. Now if I mess up my hand seal, watch out. So you go. So you go, peeps. So, yeah, scrape the yam. I'll show you how to scrape the yam. So I'm gonna scrape it. Yeah. So you scrape yam, peeps. Scrape it like that. Yeah. Yeah, always make sure it's tape. And then I bust it in two pieces. I almost cut myself. Peeps. To see what I go on now, peeps. See what I go on, what I go on now. I'll make sure it's tape. Yeah, the tape. Yes, peeps. Peeps, I know the tape. Delicious. My face greasy, so peeps. My face looks shiny. I can't tell me my face looks shiny. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. This is dinner, peeps. Look at that. Mm. It is rich, so rich. Couldn't be richer. Mm. Rich. This is rich, peeps. Huh? And I have a corona with it. To this side thumbnail. Why them fly here stay so? My food is hot and the fly then still want to fly night. Jeez and peas. Flies are plagues. Somebody answer me in the comment section. Why, when you're eating fish, you always see a lot of flies? Why? Why fish follow most of flies? Or fly follow most fish, I should say. Hmm. You know, peeps, you can stay. Catch him back up and done eat. Not have Owen and catch him before I finish the video. Because Owen said I'm going to be down forward and he can't reach it. I should have can eat a bit them before he come. You know, peeps, stick and stay. I'm going away. So yes, peeps, I'm not done eat yet. I'm not finished eating as yet. What I was just thinking, you know, this is just natural living. So because I normally used to do stuff like this, just all the difference is now because I'm actually recording. Mm-hmm. This is just natural. This is not just for the camera. It is just simple living. You can live simple. You know, in the Caribbean here. Just imagine that. You hear some youth say but life wasn't meant to be easy. Life wasn't meant to be hard. That's what I say. Human being, we make life so complicated. And other human being make it so difficult for other people to survive. But, as I said before, if you are doing something or actually working somewhere that you're barely surviving, there's always an alternative. Trust me, there's always a way out. Never think that there is no way out. The mindset that you have, so there is no other way out. There is always another way out. You just don't see it, but there is. If you tell yourself that there is no other way out, there will never be no other way out. Seriously. Remember, there's always a way out. Maybe stick and stay. So yes, peeps, my plate is empty and my tummy is full. And my tummy is full, but not too full. It is just okay, because of healthy food. And you know, I don't really believe in eating for belly full. I believe in eating for health, not really belly full per se. Get me I say, yeah. Eat for health, not belly full. And when if you come for one of the fish them, because two fish leave, you can see, two fish leave. So two leave so. But when I reach it, I call him up and I get him. Because Owen said I get a bath and forward for one of the fish, but I'm not come. He must have finished up a second corona. And Corona is strong, peeps. Corona is very, just like drinks. It's like 4.5% alcohol. Just like, you know, water. Nothing much in it. But my dinner was lovely. So lovely, peeps. It is so lovely. I went on the road from early in the morning, did some work, and come back home. And today is Sunday. Tomorrow morning, God spare my life. Early Monday morning, I have to get up so. Like, start work, like, roughly about 6 o'clock. I want to start work. Yeah. But it's been a very lovely day. To top it off, a lovely evening coming home and looking about my fish. Tell you, it is just nice, you know, with all my meringue in it. You know, meringue give you more energy and so my muscle grow. So I can jump chest to peers. Yeah, no found a lot of time I say I no chest, but that's how you go. But it's been a lovely evening, peeps. A very wonderful day. Yeah. Look, me like somebody. Like something driving. Oh. No. Oh. Cause landlord come, peeps. Landlord come for rent. So he come, I go steer on us the same way. He can call me. Yeah. Landlord come for rent. In Cayman, you gotta make sure at the end of the month, after working, you put on landlord one. You see that day when a guy tell me say, sometime when him paying rent, you wouldn't have no sometimes you wouldn't have no food, but I don't think that's safe. But sometimes it do happen, peeps, because people don't want to sleep out the door, or, you know. So you pay them rent and then broke after. So you go. Rent is expensive in Cayman, but not everything is permanent. That is temporary. Soon, things like this will become a thing of a past. Or we even, if not there Cayman, or if we even there Cayman, we might own one place, or we not there Cayman no more, pay no more rent. But so you go. Somebody have to pay rent, right? Yeah. All we now go one house. And how will landlord make money anyhow if they don't have tenants? Yes, peeps, but as I say, it's been a very wonderful, wonderful evening. And thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing and always coming back to watch the video them. And if anytime you reach in a Cayman, just link me up. Yeah, so if I get some fish for you. Either you want roast fish, fried fish, brown stew fish, you get what I'm saying? Or steamed fish, any dish, I look about it for you. Free of charge. All thing you got to do, share video and like your video. Watch your video them. That's a charge. Yes, peeps. So, until next video, cheers. Out. Oh, I'm not in the video. I didn't say it. Remember to love your neighbor as you love yourself. Treat others as you would love them treat you. Burn hate. You know? We don't need hate. We need love, not hate. Too much hate in this world. That's why the people are in the world like this. Too much hate. Love. You get what I'm saying? Make sure that you're clean and pure, because you all can find real people nowadays. But start with the man in the mirror. Try to be true and honest with yourself. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. Peace out.